Everyone hates me.
Lina, don't go near the stove.
Okay, Mom.
Stay away, Mom.
My face! My face! My heart!
Stay calm, ambulance.
Shh. You are safe now. Will my face stay like this?
The burn will heal slowly. It will take time.
Will this scar stay forever?
Maybe, but a scar does not change who you are. Lina, do you know what I see?
No, you look beautiful. I don't want to go. Be brave. Sorry, this seat is taken. Oh, okay. Can I sit here? Sorry, this seat is taken. Can I sit here?
Sit somewhere else.
Sit here?
Oh.
Lina, sit with me?
Really?
Yes, why not?
Thank you.
Look at her face. That Scary said that to me before.
Please stop.
We are just talking.
Your words hurt me.
Everyone hates me.
What happened to your face?
I was hurt in a fire accident.
I'm sorry that happened. Thank you.
Nobody ever said that to me before.
That's a big scar.
Yes, it is. Does it hurt? Not anymore.
A scar doesn't change who you are.
Nobody ever said that to me before.
How was school?
Not good.
What happened?
Some kids laughed at me.
And what did you do?
Nothing, I just walked away.
I wish I didn't have this scar.
Sometimes walking away is the strongest thing.
You are strong.
I know now. Scars do not make us ugly.